So welcome to ISE 220. My name is Fernando Mejuto and I'm working here today for KinoServer. And I want to introduce today to this new machine we have here is the KinoServer 6R, which is a server, multimedia server, which can be really, to make it quick explanation of it, it will be like a NAS, but not like a NAS because a NAS will just run on your CPU from your machine. This one has its own proper machine. The special thing of it is it has 6 slots of storage, up to almost 100 terabytes, and it can rip, as you can see from inside, your own library. You can storage it, it will put it in and just save it for you. It has also Roon and it has RAVe services for storing your data security. And it's a great machine to have in any kind of building, say a home theater, say any kind of big installation, because it works just like that. You have that, you plug and you play. You only need Firebox, Apple TV, Shield, and you can do any stream on any TV you have. The amazing part of this machine is that it can do up to 6 streaming television on 4K. So up to 6 TVs or any other streaming device on 4K. And if you have more information, you want to know more about this product, you can go to KinoServer.com and just find us there. Thank you very much.